Hi everyone! If you have seen our previous video called How to Set Up Details Pages, you remember me mentioning the option of adding rich text content to your website using Markdown. Some of you might need a little help with understanding and implementing this formatting technique, and this is exactly what our short tutorial will help you achieve. Let's go! Markdown is a lightweight markup language for creating formatted text using a plain text editor. Shout out to John Gruber, who developed it 20 years ago. If you are building your website with Spread Simple, you can implement Markdown for formatting the homepage content, footer, content pages, and text elements, both on product cards and details pages. Let's try implementing some of the most commonly used Markdown symbols and see what the text will look like using the example of a tourist guide website created with Spread Simple. Quick tip: you can edit and format descriptions for details pages in our built-in page editor, and then transfer the formatted text to the Google Sheet. Go to Pages and Links, click on Expand Editor for a better writing experience, and add the text with necessary symbols. Let's try it out. One asterisk will make the enclosed text italic. Start a line with a hash and a space to make a header. The more hash symbols you add, the smaller is the header. Using Markdown, you can also add emphasis, block quotes, links, images, code, and so on. Thanks to the editor tool, you don't need to memorize the sequences. Now, let's add the final text to the details page. If you want to practice Markdown, there is a great beginner's 10-minute long Markdown tutorial that explains and lets you practice all the main symbols. You will discover it here. By the way, if you enjoy the effortless process of website building with Spread Simple, you can also earn financial profit. Join our affiliate program, recommend Spread Simple to your friends, and get 30%. Help promote our product and earn your reward. You will find the link below. Are you looking for more in-depth tips on how to build your website with Spread Simple? Then visit our help page and check out other videos on our YouTube channel. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!